It is the 17th today. It is Thursday. It's around 9:23 a.m. I just want to review some trades that I took today. Unfortunately, I ended up taking two losses, total of I want to say 3.5% uh, loss today. It is what it is, you know. I want to present this because obviously, I don't want to sugarcoat um, these losses. These losses are vital to my success, and I think it could benefit somebody else. So the first loss was taken right here, and I will bring us back to TradingView. It was taken right here. Now this setup is valid if it actually had touched my demand. Okay, I'm sorry, my supply. So as y'all can see, I have my 1 hour supply here. The reason why I didn't go off of this big one here, right, is because if price came all the way over here, more than likely it was gonna come up to my 4 hour supply. So I'm like, yeah, no, we're gonna take it off of this, right? And when I was looking at MT4, right, same thing, right, off of that zone, it actually was touching it. It actually touched it. So unfortunately, and off of back testing, I'm not using MT4 to back test. I'm using TradingView. So I need to rely on TradingView for determining whether my zones are valid or not. So this wasn't valid. It didn't tap the supply off of TradingView. So this was a 2% loss. Unfortunately, I was up on the account 2.5. I took 2%. It didn't work out. Fortunately, it is what it is. The next setup came out right here. And again, you guys will see. Yeah. So the next setup came right here as we started getting these dojis, right? And again, man, I'm a little, not so much as upset. I'm ashamed because I'm like, I know better. I know that I need to do better. This is not acceptable by any means. Is this okay? Because again, going off of TradingView, not MT4, there was no confirmations, man. Price was just doji, cool. These are signals, but there's no confirmation. And unfortunately, again, I took the entry at the break of this candle, thinking, oh, we're gonna go down, right? Impulsive trading, and I got stopped out, 1% at this point. So at this point, I want to say 3 point, like 3%, 3% in loss for the day. Now, when this candle finally closed, right, this candle at 9 a.m., we had that engulfing, right? We had a 5 minute break of structure. This trade right here is the valid trade. This should have been my only trade for the day. Nothing else. This shouldn't have happened. This shouldn't have happened. Just currently what's going on. Regardless of whether I end up losing this trade or it end up actually going into my TP for a 3RR, this was the correct trade. And I was not patient enough to wait for it, man. And I wanted to make this video because I want to hold myself accountable. Anybody that might be watching it, this also might be a reminder for you that you must hold yourself accountable. But yeah, man, I'm not happy with today's results. And I will say, granted, I do believe that this impulsiveness came because Tuesday I overslept. My alarm did not wake me up. I missed a beautiful, easy trade. And then yesterday, I had training at my job. I missed again another beautiful trade. And I think all of that just kind of got to me. But it's my fault for not back testing before trading, right? It's my fault for not saying, hey, let me replay some cells so that I can get that itch, out, right? So that I know, okay, I have to wait for this. because back testing prior to trading, I think is really fundamentally it's really good for you, man. It helps. It really does. It helps me stay patient. So yeah, this is a little bit of a update on what currently is going on. This is currently, unfortunately, the end of the week. I'm down a total of 3.5% for the week, and currently overall, I'm down 1%. It is what it is. I'm not. Um, I'm not proud of taking these kind of losses. These are the kind of losses that I really am. This is my mission to tame this kind of behavior. Like, because today could have been a day that I think, regardless. Look, and as you guys can see, this trade currently, it's probably gonna end up continuing to go bullish. Like, it's gonna stop. It is what it is. Maybe price decides to come all the way up here and then go down, right? We don't know. But the point is, this is a valid trade right here. This could have been the real trade. This could have been just a 1% loss. You know, this could have been the trade that I entered. It's going down. Okay, cool. I'm gonna do me and call it a day and just let it do what it gotta do. If it stops me out, it stops me out. Rather than taking two losses that had nothing to do with my setup, man. So, all right, guys. Without further ado, I hope everybody's having hopefully a good trading week. We have to learn from our mistakes, man. That's how we grow as traders. But I will catch you guys on the next week, and hopefully we can continue to have good, positive results. We can continue to learn. And yeah, without further ado, it's your boy Lowe's Trades. God bless.